Manitoba is a world-class destination for outdoor activity, home to an incredible fishery and rich, diverse array of wildlife and ecosystems. But Manitoba's lakes, rivers, and waterways are under attack from AIS. All Manitobans must take action to keep them from spreading, so future generations will continue enjoying all that Manitoba has to offer. This is the first in a series of 5 videos to help Manitobans understand what AIS are, how they affect us, and how we all can play a part to prevent and slow their spread. AIS are aquatic invasive species. That includes plants, animals, parasites, and viruses that are not native to a region. Human activities have either accidentally or sometimes intentionally introduced AIS, but with no knowledge of how they will interact with native species. As with all invasive species, AIS have no natural predators and as a result are able to reproduce and outcompete native species at an alarming rate. This has wide-ranging negative impacts for all of us. Let's use zebra mussels, presently one of the biggest risks to Manitoba water bodies, as an example. From an economic standpoint, they consume large amounts of algae, which changes the aquatic food chain. Filtering plankton out of the water means less food for Manitoba's native fish species, affecting their size and population. Large colonies can take over fish spawning areas. These actions impact Manitoba's commercial fisheries, which impacts Manitoba's economy. Zebra mussel colonies also clog drinking water infrastructure, power generating stations, and watercraft engine systems, resulting in costs to individuals, communities, and industries. From a social perspective, Manitobans and visitors are fortunate to have access to many beautiful beaches and shorelines. Tourism and recreational experiences are jeopardized when thousands of zebra mussels litter shorelines. Not only do they smell badly, but their sharp shells can cut people's feet and even our pets' paws. And because zebra mussels consume so much algae, they create clearer surface water. Maybe you've noticed a difference in water clarity over the last few years. Initially, you may think this is a good sign, that Manitoba's water is becoming cleaner. However, what this really means is the ecosystem's environment is changing. The sun can now reach deeper depths, altering the temperature and negatively impacting the entire ecosystem, affecting both plants and fish species. From a health perspective, as a result of consuming large amounts of algae, there is more opportunity for the growth of large and sometimes toxic blue-green algae blooms, often seen in Lake Winnipeg. Zebra mussels do not consume the blue-green algae, which can be harmful if swallowed by humans, pets, or wildlife. Once AIS are established, the cost is staggering, and it's almost impossible to get rid of them. That's why everyone who enjoys Manitoba's waterways needs to take the threat seriously and take action to help slow and prevent the spread. It's everyone's responsibility. Find out what you can do by watching the second video in this series, Clean, Drain, Dry.